Gentlemen, Mr. Quinn here. I have an IXL talk through video. Today we're going to be looking at an older skill on how to find the area of rectangles and squares. So the big thing here is you need to remember how we find area. Remember, area is the inside of a shape, and that means we are thinking about a formula. And that formula tells us that area equals LW. Now, in order to understand that, we need to know what L is, which is length, and we need to know what W is, which is our width. So if we take a look at this rectangle that's on the screen, hopefully you can realize that this is our length and that this is our width. So that means all we have to do is substitute. So I can substitute 3 in here, and I'm going to multiply that, because that's what it means when a letter is next to a letter, by 2. So if you can do 3 times 2, which I know all of us can, you are going to say 6, and you are going to submit your answer. So we're going to go ahead and erase our screen, and we're going to try another one. So remember, our formula, and we always want to start by writing it, is length times width. So we know that our length, in this case, we're going to say is 2, and our width is 5, and we know that 2 times 5 is 10. So we're going to go ahead and type in 10. All right. I'm going to jump ahead and see as we get up into some of the higher level questions. I want to make sure that you guys get to take a look at a square with me. Now, a square, all the sides are the same. So in some of those problems, you might only be given one measurement. So let's try some questions in the challenge zone. Well, this one's not any different. It's still not a square. We know that area equals length times width. We know we have a 6. We know we have a 10. And we know we get 60. So we can go ahead and type that 60 in and hit submit. All right, there's a square. So in this case, I have an 8 and an 8. Even if for whatever reason this wasn't here, you know that when it's a square, all of the sides are the same. They would each be equal to 8. So in this case, area is going to still be length times width, but I'm going to do 8 times 8, and I should get 64. So I'm going to go ahead and click. I'm going to type. I'm going to submit. I think you guys are going to do a really nice job with this. I hope this talk through video helps.